Welcome back to From Simmer
to Sizzle. I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jacob.
And today we're making Veggie Delight and beer cheese dip.
Yeah, we're making, it's got like party food, I guess.
Party food.
The beer cheese, I make it every party, like for New Year's or for the Super Bowl. And this Veggie Delight recipe we got from Nikki's family.
Yep. Sometimes they make it for birthday parties. But I've never made it for myself.
Yeah, so, you know, we're making the kind of thing that you would serve at a party. So we're gonna make some simple drinks, and that's really it. So
let's get started.
let's get started.
Like right now.
All right, so we got to get started on part of the Veggie Delight. We've got to get some crescent rolls. We've got 2 packages. We're going to press them flat on a cookie sheet.
We're not gonna roll them because it says press.
Did not peel very nicely. So
That's why I should have done it.
let's see what happens.
I did this one.
Got it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, now we just got to roll these out. I mean, press them onto the sheet.
Wait, where's the end of it? Oh, I see. What a mess. Fill in the gaps. Lots of gaps. Jacob,
What?
look.
Looks alright. Okay, probably good enough. So we got our dough pressed onto the sheet. We're gonna put it in the oven to bake it real quick, just about 12 to 15 minutes, 350 degrees.
Yes.
Okay, so that'll be baking while we get everything else ready for our beer cheese. So we've got some shredded cheese over there. We've got 8 ounces of shredded Swiss, 8 ounces of shredded cheddar. We've got cream cheese. Grab me one of those blocks of cream cheese. Yes, 1 block of cream cheese.
Okay. What else?
We'll need that mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl.
Open that up for me. Put it in here.
There we go. Got it.
Alright, then we need 1 cup of beer.
1 cup of beer.
Mm-hmm.
Real beer.
Mm-hmm.
Don't freak out. It's gonna be okay.
Okay, start whisking that together for me. Then I'm going to reserve a tablespoon of beer.
Yeah, right, Jacob.
What?
This isn't mixing very. You spilled it.
It should have been a little bit softer, but that's alright. I'm just going to try and break up the cream cheese, mix it in with the beer.
Aren't you gonna cheat the camera?
No, because I'm going to spill it. I already got it in here.
The producer lady says we should use a KitchenAid. You can also use a KitchenAid, but we already have a bowl, so. Just saying, if you guys make it yourself. Okay, let's add some cheese.
I don't think that's the next step. Hold on.
Cornstarch.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Yes,
I know.
I reserved a tablespoon of the beer, so we're going to mix that with a tablespoon of cornstarch. That'll help thicken this up.
This is cornstarch.
No, that's beer. The cornstarch is over there, yes. Because I left it over there.
Oh! If it was Sizzle and Sass, I would have had it over here. Simmer's not always so prepared, but it's okay. I wasn't prepared either. Yes.
good. Okay, so our next step, we're going to add the cornstarch slurry with...
No.
And here we've got a tablespoon of whole grain mustard and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce.
There's a fly. Can I add this in here?
Yeah, go ahead. And we'll get that in there, the mustard and the Worcestershire.
I should put my hair up. Do I mix this together?
Just dump it into here. It has thickened up. It probably doesn't look like it. It has thickened up a bit. We're going to start adding the cheeses, and that'll really get it nice and thick.
Thick.
Just going to start adding some of that in.
I'm excited for these 2 recipes.
Yeah, I've never had the Veggie Delight one before because, that's from your family. I mean, it was a handwritten recipe that I got.
Yeah.
And then this one,
I've never had this before.
yeah, this one's always a hit at the parties. I mean, we serve it in a bread bowl, like a big old Italian loaf, and the whole thing's usually gone by the end of the night. That doesn't even take that long. Just keep adding.
Okay. So where'd you get this recipe from?
I don't even remember. I've been making this for 2 or 3 years now. I probably saw it online somewhere, but I don't remember.
What do you usually serve it with?
We usually serve this with like pretzel rods, broccoli, chips, anything you can dip in the cheese. When we carve up the bread, we take the top half and then we toast that as well, so you can dip toast points in there.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Now, really the last thing we need to add to this before we put it in the bowl is some bacon.
Bacon.
We have some bacon ready. Right over there. So we're ready for that. Alright. So for the bacon, we just gotta crumble it up, toss it in here.
Oh, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah.
Like small pieces like that.
Sure, it doesn't really matter. If you want, we can get a knife and chop that up real quick. It'd be easier than just tearing it by hand.
No, I like it this way. You can cut it, but you can do it this way too. It's not gross. It's fine. Right?
Mm-hmm. It's fine.
Okay, maybe it is a little gross.
You want me to take over?
No.
Okay.
Uh-oh. It's not fries this time. You don't want big chunks in your dip, you know?
Yeah, but no one's gonna complain if they get a big old chunk of bacon.
Okay.
Besides, it'll all get broken up as I'm mixing it in anyway.
That's true.
Okay, so our cheese is all mixed up and ready to go. We got the bread over there behind you. We already sliced this up, so go ahead and bring that over. Alright. This is an Italian loaf. We already went and sliced it off. We just cut the top into a V, hollowed out the middle, and then we arranged the bread after slicing it up. We arranged it on the sheet because we're going to bake that with the cheese and everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of take that out of the oven.
Yeah, that looks better.
Okay. Turn that down. Just gotta let that cool. Because that's the crust pull though. Anyway, back to the beer cheese. Just gonna pile this in here. Every time we make this, we always have a little bit too much for the bread. So, might just get a small bowl to put the rest in.
Yeah. What do you think?
That is probably enough for the bread. Any more and it's gonna just start leaking out. So, grab a bowl. That'll be fine. Put the rest of this in here.
Pretty good. Now it has to go in the oven.
Before we put it in there, we're going to use this thing. We've got 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a couple of herbs in there. We've got a little bit of dill, a little bit of parsley. We mix that all up. We're going to brush it onto our toast points here. That'll give them a little bit of flavor, a little bit of color. I gotta find our little rubber brush, which is somewhere around here, and it's never in the same place.
Right there.
Hey, pretend that's where you go.
Brush some of this on top.
Look at that.
Just wait till it comes out. Alright. It's ready to go. So this is going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes, I think. We just want to keep an eye on it, make sure we don't burn it, but the cheese will be nice and brown and bubbly. The toast points might burn a little bit, so if those get a little too brown, you can either take those out or you can cover them in foil while this finishes up. Either way, just keep an eye on it. Don't let it get too dark. But 30 minutes, 350 degrees.
Cut. No, don't cut it. You would have killed us all. Your mom almost cut that.
All right, cut.
All right, time to get started with our drinks.
Yep. So, which one do you want to do first?
Mine.
Yours?
Yeah.
Okay, yours is really simple.
Okay, no, we'll do yours first.
Okay. So mine, I'm gonna do an amaretto sour, which is a really, really simple like club drink because it's just amaretto and sour mix. So, kind of stepped it up a little bit. We need that bottle of bourbon.
Bourbon.
Yes. And then we'll also need the big old bottle of amaretto over there. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of bourbon.
Amaretto.
Use 1.5 ounces of amaretto. Okay, and we need some of that sour mix.
Lemonade.
Pretty much. It's all the same stuff, basically. We need about 2 ounces of this. It calls for 1 ounce of simple syrup and 1 ounce of lemon juice. But simple syrup and lemon juice is all that's in sour mix, so I'm just going to use 2 ounces of sour mix. Same thing, because I'm not too picky.
And shake, shake, shake.
Yep,
And then a flip.
we'll see.
Ah!
Now, sometimes you can do this with egg white to get a nice foam on the top. I didn't do that, mostly because I just forgot.
It's okay, we can add one in right now.
No, you can't.
No, we can't.
Because you add the egg white before you. What you're supposed to do is
You
you add
the egg white first.
before
and then
the
you,
ice,
Before the ice, and then you shake, shake, shake.
and then you
and
add
then
the
you
ice,
add the
shake
ice,
it again,
and then shake it again.
so you get a nice foam on
So
the
you
top.
get a nice foam on the top.
But I forgot that
But
completely.
I forgot that completely.
And I just did it with
And
ice.
I
and
just
no
did
egg
it with
white.
ice and no egg.
So it doesn't look as fancy as it could be. The egg white basically just adds a nice little foam on the top,
But it's
all
okay.
right.
Oh.
How is it?
Strong.
Yeah, it is pretty strong, but I like it. It's good. We can make you a drink real quick.
Okay.
And I should not have put ice in that yet.
Oh!
Because we were going to put a rim on it.
It's okay. I fix that mess.
Because we're going to put a rim on it.
Yeah, we are.
We wanted to try to use a lime. Oh, here, get that little bowl of sugar. We need that.
For the sugar.
Mm-hmm.
For the water.
We don't actually
I'm going to teach you how to do a sugar rim. Huh? We don't need the water?
We don't need the water because we decided to use the lime.
We don't
instead.
need the water because we're going to use the lime instead.
Okay. That ought to work. Then you just...
Ooh.
Yeah, that worked pretty well.
I've never done that before.
Well, I have. It never really works. So, all right. Now we can put some ice in here.
What's this drink called again?
This is a ginger beer shandy.
Shandy. This is
Yeah.
for you, Shandy. I know a Shandy, so this goes to her.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all this is ginger ale or ginger beer with
Some lemonade.
with some lemonade or sweet and sour mix.
Okay, so did I
Just pour it in there. Add some sour mix. Stir it up.
I got it.
Okay. Any more in
I have 3 drinks going on right now.
here?
Okay.
Just add a splash.
Stir it up.
Mm-hmm. You've got a stirring rod right there.
Stir, stir, stir. Add a straw.
Okay, so
Oh, I
here's
want
the
green
thing. There's no point in using a straw. We put a rim on it.
one. Ah, that's
Yeah.
true.
And we went ahead and cut a little garnish for you.
Thank
Just
you.
a nice little lemon wheel.
Mm. That's good.
Yeah.
This is kind of in the way. Oh. Well, that's not how you're supposed to do it.
It's all
It's
right.
supposed to be more graceful than that,
We're
but
professional.
it's fine.
Okay.
That's really good. Alright, time to get started with this.
What is this?
This is our Veggie Delight. Let's cough again.
Veggie Delight.
Veggie Delight.
Yeah, Veggie Delight. So we got our crescent roll dough out of the oven. It sat and cooled for a little bit. So we're going to mix up our stuff.
And put it on the top.
Put it on the top. So.
And then we're going to eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
All right. We got 2 packages of cream cheese. Those
Put
are
that in
just
here.
8-ounce blocks. Yeah, put that in there.
Add in your cream cheese.
Mhm.
Softened cream cheese.
Gonna use a cup of Miracle Whip.
It's going to be good.
All right, that's good. Here.
Yep. Add it in. Mix it
Mix
together.
that up.
First you gotta break it up. Break it up. And then you can mix it together. I'm gonna go.
Want me to do it?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna
That's
spread
probably
it
good.
across.
Yep. And we're just gonna spread that over this.
Thank you.
Okay.
I was gonna take it from him anyway, Amy.
Mm-hmm. It's your recipe.
It's my recipe and it's my show.
Wow. Ranch mix.
Ah, shit.
That's fine. We can still.
Sprinkle and stir.
Yep.
Oh man, did we mess it up?
No, we can still add the ranch mix now.
Take out the part where I said shit.
We'll see. All right.
Just mix it up.
So just mix it up as we spread this on there, because I forgot about this.
Okay.
It calls for one whole packet, Nikki. There's a whole bunch more in here.
Okay.
Just mix it all up since you forgot it. We forgot.
Oh my goodness gracious.
It's real life cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is real life. We ain't fake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your turn to do this.
Okay.
Actually, no, it's not.
Okay.
It's my turn. I'll flip it around this way. Uh-oh, don't drop those. That would be not good. Looks good already.
Mm-hmm.
He's just cleaning up the edges.
Mm-hmm.
They were fine before. They were fine before.
Yeah, I know. Just gotta get some of this. Spread that up. Now, we're gonna. What?
What?
Alright, now we're gonna top this with the veggies. Yeah, so we've got cauliflower and broccoli we chopped up real small. We're just gonna spread this on here.
Mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we should cut these up smaller.
It's a little late now.
Well, my bad. So that's my bad. Actually, it's yours. Oh well. It'll still be good.
Think that's good? One more?
Nope, that's good.
Alright.
Oh.
We got some carrots chopped up real fine. Sprinkle those over the top.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Shout out to Pam Bledsoe. This is her recipe.
Alright. Looks good to me.
Looks good to me.
Okay.
Next time I would have chopped up these veggies, but it's
No.
okay for this time. It'll still be good.
No. The producer was pointing at the chives we have over there. Those are for the beer cheese.
This is not for veggie stuff, okay?
I mean, it is veggie, but that's for the beer cheese.
I've been corrected.
Alright. So the last thing we need to do is let this chill for a little bit before we actually serve it. And we've still got some time on our...
Alright, time to try our food.
Yeah, we got everything done. Beer cheese is out of the oven. Our veggie delight is chilled and sliced. We got everything we need to serve with the beer cheese. We got a pretzel rod, pita chips. I got our toast points done. The herbs kind of got a little too dark, but the toast points are fine. And yeah, so I'm just gonna throw some chives on top of our beer cheese here in our bread bowl. Nice and hot. Try not to burn ourselves when we eat it.
Yeah.
Got the veggie delight there. 2 little plates.
You.
Okay, thank you.
I got the end piece. Should I move this over?
Sure.
Then we got our drinks. Where's your drink at?
Right here.
Alright. This is the veggie pizza. Veggie delight. So good. Like it?
Mm-hmm.
This is fast and easy.
Yeah, it's creamy and flavorful, and relatively healthy. And then, of course, we got this. Not quite as healthy.
But still really good.
Yeah.
I tried some on camera.
It's just a little hot. There.
I tried it with the pretzels, it was okay. I tried it with the pita chips, it was alright. I tried it with the bread, so good.
Yeah, we've got some of the overflow in the bowl here, so we're just gonna eat out of that.
And this didn't take us long to make either.
Yeah, it just didn't take very long.
That's pretty much it for this video. No, it's not. We didn't cheers. Stop chewing and cheers.
Go on. Thanks for watching. From Simmer
To Sizzle. If you guys have any... I always hate this part.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you have any video ideas, be sure to either tell us in the comments or just let us know in person if you actually know us.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. I hate that part.